Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Tinashe lace closure wig right here. The hair is actually 16 inches and it comes in this gorgeous packaging with loads of amazing goodies. It comes with a hair cap, it comes with a wig cap, it comes with a comb, it comes with eyelashes, and it also comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair. This is what the hair looks like straight from the box. Straight out of the box, the curls are popping. Look at that. Look at that. Everything has been done for you straight out of the box. You don't have to do anything at all. The hair comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and it also comes with an elastic strap and elastic band as well. As you can tell, the hair also comes with a center part straight out of the box, so you don't have to worry about anything or any customization at all. And the hair has also been pre-plucked straight out of the box, so you are good to go. For today's installation, I'm not going to be doing a lot. All I'm going to be doing is just slap on the wig and we would be good to go. Depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, at this point all you need to do is just cut your lace and you will be good to go. But we're just gonna add few extra steps which are not necessary, but yeah, I used the elastic band that was installed in the construction of the cap to install the hair, so I had no issues about securing the hair at all. No glue, no gel, no nothing. I was good to go. All I did now was just put the hair up a bit and then cut the lace, extra lace, and yeah, that was it for the installation of this hair. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, you don't have to do anything at all. As I mentioned, the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, so if you're the type that like baby hair, you are in for a treat. But yeah, I cut off the excess lace and applied the Fenty Beauty powder foundation on the pad, and then spray the icy oil on it because I'll be using my hot comb, and that's it. These are just the few extra steps that I did, but you don't have to do this. As I mentioned to you, you can just cut your lace and you will be good to go. And to achieve that Dino Ross big hair don't care kind of look, all you need to do is just to finger comb your hair and you will be good to go. And that's exactly what I did in this video. Look at that. Look at that. When I put the hair down, the lace melted into my skin. How amazing is that? You can barely tell if I was actually wearing a wig or not. And the hair is really, really full, very, very voluminous. And if you like this style, because I like this style for some reason, it's Simbi goes to school, some may call it. I like this style. So yeah, I showed you guys this one of my favorite style when curly hair, and look at that. Super simple, super easy, straightforward. Bear in mind, no glue, no gel, just the elastic band. The hair is really well secured, and look at that. And back. That's it. Super duper secured. I had nothing to worry about. And then the next step is me defining the curls, guys. This is the bit I love most with this hair, guys. All I did was just to apply water on the hair and the curls were popping, like popping, guys, popping. No shedding, no tangling whatsoever. And I kept, using my fingers, running my fingers through the hair. I didn't experience any shedding, guys, any shedding at all, and the curls were popping, like pour open, without any products, just water, H2O, and the curls were popping. So I really, really love this hair, and I'm quite happy that you know I don't have to use any product. But as always, look at that. Look at that. I just decided to go for mousse just to, define the curls a bit more. But you don't have to. All you need is just water. And when I applied mousse again, I was like, what? What in the world? Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. This week is just giving that vibe of my hair, but longer. I really love the hair. The quality of the hair is just amazing. Look at that. Super duper soft, very full, no nasty smell, and yeah, beginner friendly, summer friendly. And look at that shrinkage, guys. Look at that shrinkage. This is to tell you that this hair is actually AA plus when it comes to the quality of the hair. It's just amazing. Did you see how the hair stretched? Right? You can compare the curly part and the, you know, other side. Wow. I love this hair, and I'm quite impressed with the quality of the hair. Tinashe Hair has always been giving us quality hair back to back. Anyway, I enjoy working with them, and I enjoy the quality of their hair every time I work with them. Coupled with the fact that their shipping is always very quick, and based on the fact that all their packaging also comes with loads of amazing goodies that you can also use to install the hair, which is really good. So I did the same thing on the other side as well. I sprayed water on the hair, brush it out, and then apply mousse on the hair, and we are good to go. Super straightforward, very easy, and yep, that is it. That is it. Nothing more, nothing less. No glue, no gel, no spray, nothing. This is the type of hair you need this summer, guys, because you don't want to spray anything or apply any glue on your hair due to the very hot, humid weather. So yeah, I am loving this. I love the fact that the curls are well defined, and I can easily just snatch my wig, slap it on my head, and off I go. I am a huge fan. Love it so far, so good. And yeah, stay tuned for my reviews, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
You want me beating on the floor for you, but I fell free.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Tinashe lace closure wig right here. I am loving this. The hair is still wet, by the way, but I'm gonna quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts with you guys about the hair. Far so good. I am loving this hair, like seriously. No glue, no gel, no nothing. Look at that. Look at that. I love the fact that you can just slap this wig on your head and off you go. It's very easy to install. 2 minutes, in fact 2 minutes, and that 2 minutes would just be you cutting your lace and bam. I always enjoy working with Tinashe Hair because the quality of their hair is always amazing, and the fact that they always pay attention to details when it comes to the construction of their cap, the their packaging, the quality of their hair, and all the shipping of their products. Like amazing. And if you guys don't know Tinashe Hair are hair brands that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, and they have curly wig. They have different types of hair, so depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. But if you definitely check out their website, you will definitely find something for you and your loved ones. And yeah, in regards to their shipping, guys, their shipping was the fastest I've seen. Like 3 days to get here in the UK. That for me is just amazing. Actually adjust the hair however you please, or you can actually also decide to go for center parts like so. Look at that. How easy is that? See, from center parts to half parts, or side part you call it, and that's it. Very easy now. And let's take a look at the curls, guys. The curls are popping. Look at that. The curls are popping. I am loving this. Look at that. No stress at all. Just spray water to define the curls and you will be good to go. So I love how versatile the hair is. Earlier, you can wear it wet or you can wear it dry for that gorgeous Diana Ross type of look. And I am loving this. Look at that. I'm feeling myself. The hair is actually like 70% dry. The curls are still popping. It's giving me that my natural hair but longer kind of feel. I don't know if it's just me or if I'm tripping, but I'm definitely not tripping. This is giving me that my natural hair look but longer kind of vibe, and I am loving it. So would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. I would definitely recommend Tinashe Hair. In terms of the quality, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of how easy it is to install the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of how versatile the hair is, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of their packaging with loads of amazing goodies, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of their shipping, which was really quick, it took 3 days, it's definitely AA plus for me. I would definitely recommend that you guys check out Tinashe Hair for all your amazing quality hair at affordable prices. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.